Alright everyone, it is currently 6:13 p.m. and you are still with me, your host DJ Jupiter. Now it sounds like it is raining really hard out there, but what's sunshine without a little rain, right? Now for this week's Throwback Thursday, we are playing Non-Stop 2020 Bops. Alright, remember when people used to say that? Yeah. Anyway, this next song goes out to all my fellow BTS ARMY listeners out there, especially to my mom who's tuning in right now. Hi mom. You know, she's always telling me how BTS changed music forever, and honestly, yeah, I can't see it any other way. Yeah, see, Cameron's on the side over there just nodding his head. Anyway, BTS just announced that they're going to be having a reunion tour, and so they're going to be here in Toronto in June. Okay, how exciting. And guess what? We will be giving away 2 tickets to 2 lucky armies out there, so you can be there with them at the Rogers Center on the 13th for their one-day only show. Alright, we'll have more details about that later, but for now, here is We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal by BTS.